Welcome to the Weather Center, everyone. A relief from the recent hot weather that has been affecting much of eastern South Africa is expected this Wednesday, thanks to cloudy skies that are going to be covering the eastern half of the country. Now, this cloud is going to bring with it stormy and cooler weather this Wednesday across the northwest, parts of Limpopo, much of Gauteng and the Free State, spilling into the Mpumalanga Highveld and pushing down into KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape. Later in the day, isolated to scattered thunderstorms are forecast over the southern areas, and we're expecting just a bit of rain along the southwest coastline of the Western Cape. So we are expecting scattered thunderstorms for your Wednesday in the areas highlighted by the dark shade of blue over the eastern parts of the country. A 60% chance of rain and thunder showers is forecast over the western interior, and where you see the lighter shades of blue, the chance of precipitation will be between 20 and 40%. We are going to see temperatures dropping just a touch across Gauteng. Pretoria will stay rather hot at 34, 31 in Johannesburg, just a degree warmer in Mbombela and Polokwane. It should stay hot around Mahikeng. We are expecting much cooler afternoon temperatures for you in KwaZulu-Natal. Look at Durban, peaking at just 24, 25 for the high in Richards Bay. Rather warm for Bloemfontein. A mild 19 is forecast for Port Elizabeth. Let's check on what's going on around the coastal areas. We are expecting light to moderate southeasterlies around the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. Fresh winds for East London and Port Elizabeth, and off the east coast, swell heights will average around 2 meters coming from a southwesterly direction. Highs along the south coast are going to be around 19 degrees for George, slightly warmer as we go towards Cape Town. And we're expecting light to moderate winds along much of the south coast coming from a southeasterly direction. Fresh winds are forecast, however, around the False Bay area. It's going to stay hot over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape. Kimberley shooting to around 34, 31 for the high in Appington. A mild 19 is forecast for Springbok. We are expecting temperatures to peak at around 19 as well for Alexander Bay, where moderate southwesterlies are forecast for much of the day. And we're expecting fresh winds from Lambeth Bay down into the Cape Town area. Looking ahead to your Thursday, unsettled weather continues for the eastern half of the country, and we're expecting rainy conditions for the southern areas.